I am low-key upset that I let myself run out of this, but it was a 30-day supply. This is the Supreme Omega-3 fish oils from Micro Ingredients. I don't really notice a huge difference with anything yet, just because it's only been a month taking the Supreme, but I have noticed that I wake up and my eyes are less red because they're producing more tears from the omega-3s. I'm getting in my healthy fats without the bile dump, and then there are no fishy burps because the capsule is made with lemon oil, so you don't taste a thing and you don't burp up anything. I have my bulk supply coming in any day. I'm so excited for it to get here. If you want the friends and family discount, I'll tag your link below so you can grab your bag.